Hey, I'm going to show you the valve cover on the small block Ford Project Troy. Got this nice new valve cover. I installed the valve cover breather because I drilled a hole and put a grommet in there, and it's looking nice. Coming along. Nice new tall valve covers. Plenty of room for rocker movement, and it looks cool too. 347 stroker. I know my engine's close. It's probably not exactly a 347, but I tell you what, with those two turbos pumping, I know the bore's bigger on this engine, and the stroke's probably a little bigger too. That'd be my suspicion. I think it would be a 347 stroker. But even if it's not, with those two turbos, it'll perform a lot better than most 347 strokers. That's alright. It looks good with the package. Two turbos with some killer valve covers. I figure if it's not a 347 stroker now, if I go through this engine again, it will be. So, hey, looks good. Man, I like them valve covers. They look good. Little by little, she's coming along. Please subscribe to Mad Boosting. Have a great day now.